What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, it's snowing, but that doesn't stop the work. So today I'm just gonna be putting the ISR turbo kit from Injuku Racing in my car. Before I do that, I just want to show you where all the lines go, because I don't feel like people go in depth with that. So that is the oil feed line right there. That is the coolant feed line right there, and then that's the oil drain right there. This whole entire thing. So I actually figured out that underneath the water neck there's a coolant port. I'm gonna just try to drop the turbo and the exhaust manifold in. As for the lines, I'm gonna have to figure out how I want them routed and if I need to clock the turbo. Everything should slide in, but I might have to remove this water neck in order for me to slide it in, but let's just see how it goes. Something else I want to show you guys is this floodlight actually gives off a lot of heat. So I put it pretty close to the area, so I'd be able to warm up my hands if they get cold. Hopefully you guys can see this. I'm gonna just angle a little bit further down. Alright, so what I did, since I told you guys that this light gives off so much heat, I put the tarp over it, and it was heating up this area, so it was actually not cold. Didn't actually think it was gonna work, but I had to do something. So I got everything mounted. Just put the cap on the camera. I got everything mounted. The turbo elbow, the exhaust manifold to the turbo, the coolant line is here, and there's like a little tab right here for the oil return, the feed. Alright, so this is the only space that I have to work with. I'm sorry for the bad camera angle. That's definitely something I'll work on. Unfortunately, because my exhaust manifold wasn't shipped the same time as everything else, so that's why I have to do it now. So let's just try to see if we can get it in. So far, not having a lot of luck. Let's get this off. Right. Exhaust manifold is on the studs now. I just need to get these nuts on. Might have to come back to this on a day when it's not snowing. It is pretty, the back and forth of heating my hands up. It's a little annoying. That is up here. Let's just take a moment and appreciate this floodlight. I left my WRX running just in case I really needed to get in there, get some warmth. Alright, so now I just gotta figure out where the lines go. So it turns out that there's 4 parts on the turbo that oil either goes into the turbo or comes out. Well, fluid. Let's just say fluid. So I gotta figure out those areas, and then from there it would be installed. Alright, turbo is in. They also didn't give me hardware for this. At this time, I'm trying to fit the intake kit that came with my turbo kit, and I'm not having any luck. So the intake kit is not gonna work. So I'll probably have to get it mocked up custom, because it's just not gonna work. I try to see if I can use this elbow on there, see if I can maybe like angle it up, but it was getting stuck here. There's really nothing I can do to get this. So I'm just say I'm over it for right now. I'll come back to it at a later time when I'm level-headed and see what I can do. But thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a good one.